To find the dilation in a coordinate plane, if we have 0, 0 as the center of our dilation, we multiply each of our variables by the constant, which we'll call k. If it's not at the center, I would transform it. I would translate it so it was at the center and then perform it. So in other words, let's take a look at a couple of problems here. We're supposed to graph the image of each polygon with the given vertices after a dilation at the indicated center with a given scale factor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take J, which is at -2, 4. I'm going to multiply that by 2.5, which is my dilation. So -2 times 2.5 would be -5 and 10. That would be J primed. Then I'll do the same thing for K primed. I'm going to take -2, 2. And that will be -5 and 5. And that will be K primed. Then I'll do L, which is at -4 and -2. And then that'll be -10 and -5. Well, my -10 didn't show up very well there. Let me rewrite that. And that will be L primed. And then we'll do, oh, we only had 3 points. I repeated that one by accident. So this time it's a triangle. So I'm going to take J prime, which is at -5 and 10. I'll do K primed, which is at -5 and 5. And I'll do L prime, which is at -10 and -5. And there's my new triangle. Let's take a look at another one. I'm going to multiply it by 1.5 this time. So I'm going to take each of my points. So A, which is at -2, 4. -4, I should say. Multiply that by 1.5, so it'll be at -3 and -6. That'll be A primed. Then I'll take B, which is at 3, 2. So that'll be at 4.5, because 3 times 1.5 is 4.5, and 3. That's B primed. Then we'll do C. Not C prime, just C, which is at 0 and 4. And 0 times 1.5 is 0. So I get 0 and 6. That'll be C primed. And then I'll do D, which is at 1 and 2. So it'll be at 1.5 and 3 for D primed. Now let's graph our image. So A primed is at -3, -6. B is at 4.5 and 3. C primed is at 0 and 6. And D is at 1.5 and 3. So I've got this convex looking shape. And there's your answer. Okay, let's do one more. This time I want to graph QRST after a composition of dilations centered at the origin with a scale factor of 2 and a scale factor of 1.5. So I'm going to do 2 of them. So first I'm going to start here. I'm going to think I'll put this in a table. So I'm going to start with 1, 1. And I'm going to double that. So that'll be 2, 2. And then I'm going to take it times 1.5. So that'll put me at 3 and 3. Then I'll take 1 and 3. Double that. That'll be 2 and 6. Take that times 1.5 and I get 3 and 9. Then finally, not finally I should say, but my next one will do 3, 3. Well, that'll give me 6, 6. And then that'll be giving 9, 9 for R double primed. Or I should say S double primed. And then T, I'm going to start at 4, 1. And then I'm going to double that, so it'll give me 8, 2. And then take it times 1.5. That will give me 12 and 4. I think I'll count by 2's here then. So 3, 3 would be over 3 and up 3. Over 3 and up 9. And then over 9 and up 9. And then finally over 12 and up 4. So we have this trapezoid looking shape. And there's your answer.